Ladies and gentlemen, please pay attention while we demonstrate safety procedures. For your safety, keep your seatbelt fastened during takeoff, landing, and throughout the flight, as we can encounter turbulence unexpectedly. To fasten seatbelt, insert flat metal end into the buckle and pull the strap to tighten it. To unfasten, lift the latch. Use of mobile phone is not permitted. Laptop computers, MP3 players, and CD players may be used 15 minutes after takeoff and must be turned off when seatbelt signs come on for landing. During cabin pressure loss, oxygen mask will drop automatically in front of you. Pull the mask with the jerk, cover your nose and mouth with it. Fit the mask tight around your head by pulling the elastic strap and breathe normally. On ground, if aircraft is filled with smoke, escape path lights outside the center of passenger seats will illuminate, guiding you towards the exits. Please read the safety instructions kept in your seat pocket and make sure that you know the location of the emergency exit. Keep the window shutters open before takeoff and landing. In case of emergency, keep your seatbelt fastened, bend forward and retain this position till the aircraft comes to a complete stop. In case of evacuation, unfasten your seatbelts, remove pointed and high-heel shoes and move towards the emergency exits nearest to you and evacuate. Thank you.
अवधिनुसार जहाज के आमतौर पर पानी पर उतरने की सूरत में लाइफ जैकेट पहनना लाजमी है। लाइफ जैकेट आपकी सीट के नीचे रखी है। बिजनेस क्लास के मुसाफिरों को अगला लाइफ जैकेट की जगह बता देगा। लाइफ जैकेट पहनकर फीते को अपनी कमर पर बांध लें और देख लें कि फीतों का बटन सही तरीके से बंद हो गया है। फीतों को खींचें और कमर के गिरकर देख लें। जहाज से निकलते वक्त इन डोरियों को खींचकर लाइफ जैकेट में हवा भरें। इन नलकियों के जरिए घूम कर भी हवा भरी जा सकती है। शीर्षा बच्चों को लाइफ जैकेट पहनाकर पहले पकड़ बांधी, फिर उसमें हवा भरी। बच्चों के लाइफ जैकेट अगले के पास होती है। शुक्रिया।
Ladies and gentlemen, in case of emergency landing on water, you will have to wear life jackets. Life jackets are available under your seats. In business class, cabin crew should notification of life jackets. Wear life jackets by pulling it over your head, strap it around your waist, and make sure the buckle has latched properly. Pull the straps tightly and then wrap them around your waist. Inflate life jackets only when leaving the aircraft by pulling these cords. You can also inflate life jackets manually by blowing these tubes. Infant life jackets should be fastened tightly first and then inflated. Life jackets for infants are fitted. Thank you.
जगह नहीं है, नहीं है जगह। खाली खाली